Oop, there we go. Where you going, buddy? Why is he going away? I wonder if he sees me. Hi. Hey, where you going? Alright. Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we're talking about how to use Microsoft Rewards to get the Plunder Pass for free. So this is something I've been doing way before the Plunder Pass was even a thing. And I usually used it for getting like V-Bucks in Fortnite and some other games, that kind of stuff. But if you've never heard of it before, basically what Microsoft Rewards is, it gives you points every time you search something while using Bing and sign into your Microsoft account. Now, it won't work automatically. You have to actually go and sign up for Microsoft Rewards, your points for that to work. And doing so will give you about 5 points for every time you search something. So you can use these points to trade them in for gift cards, just tons of different stuff, and you can do like little sweepstakes and things like that. Typically I try to avoid the giveaways and stuff like that because they usually just waste your points, and I've never won them. The only giveaway I would say that's worth trying to do is they have one going on right now for a lifetime membership to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and I mean that's a pretty good value, so I've tried to put like a ticket in there, just, you know, put my name in the hat for it. But what I usually go for is a $10 Microsoft gift card, Xbox gift card. It's the same thing, both go to your Microsoft account. So this works if you're on PC and Xbox. You can use these Microsoft Rewards points to get stuff for Sea of Thieves and other games on either. Also, if you are part of Game Pass, you can actually get extra points just from playing games. So there's people I know that would just do all their Game Pass challenges, and they'll be able to get the Game Pass renewed every month just from doing these Microsoft Rewards. It's actually really great, especially if you are someone that wants to save a few bucks. So we're going to go ahead and assume that you don't have any ancient coins in your account already on Sea of Thieves. So what you would need is a $10 Microsoft gift card or Xbox gift card, and with that we'd be able to get the Plunder Pass. You just get the Microsoft Rewards card, and you can buy ancient coins with it, and then buy your Plunder Pass or whatever you want. Obviously you don't need to just use it for the Plunder Pass. Say you want to get the whole Black Pearl set, you could start saving up for that with this. I thought this would be a good time to talk about the subject with everyone going back to school. I typically get a lot of points when back to school starts because I usually am searching a lot of stuff, you know, doing research for classes, whether you're writing paper. Honestly, my classes are still online, so I'm doing a lot of online quizzes where I can just like do the keyword searches. I'll just, even if I don't need it, I'll just search it up anyways just to get the extra points. So that's enough talking. Why don't we head over and I'll show you how to sign up for it and how you can get extra points so that you can do this a lot faster. Alright, so you're going to come to your web browser over here and then just search Microsoft Rewards. Now you'll be able to work this on both Chrome and Edge, whatever you're using, but if you're using something other than Edge, you're going to need to change your default search engine to Bing. That's the big key thing. So I've already set mine to Bing. If you are using Bing, you'll see this rewards thing up here in the corner. This shows how many points you have. I'll show you how to set a goal, but this ring shows how long till you can get to your goal. So I'm actually getting pretty close. So let's click on Microsoft Rewards. It'll take you to this page. If you don't already have Microsoft Rewards set up, you can go here. I think if you just do sign in and you already have a Microsoft account, which you should if you play Sea of Thieves, I think it'll work if you just press sign in. I'm not sure on that, so you might have to just test those out. But then once you're signed in, you'll get to this page. This is your main page to get extra points. So what you're going to want to do is you have these daily sets, and And these dailies let you start a streak, and every so often you'll get like a point bonus. So I have 4 more days till I can get 75 point bonus. That just means I do these 3 tasks and I'll get those extra points. And these numbers represent how many points you can get. So you'll have ones like this where you just go to this link and nothing really happens. You just open it and you get the 10 points. And other stuff, there's like little quizzes, like this one's about accuracy, so I didn't really do that well with it, which is why I only got 10 out of 40 points. But you can also scroll down, and every week these refresh, so you can get a ton of extra points every week by doing this. Now you can see at the bottom, you can see your goal, and I have a $10 Microsoft gift card as my goal right now, and that's only 9,300 points. That's not that bad if I'm being honest. Like I was telling you, I just randomly search things. You can literally just go into the search engine and just like press random letters and just keep doing that and you'll get the points right there. You don't even have to like erase it. You can just like add another letter. Alright, so it won't work if you do the same search term the same day. So let's say you look up YouTube today and then you look up YouTube later this afternoon. It will only count giving you points once for that. But say you looked up YouTube today, then you looked up YouTube tomorrow, it will give you points for both of those. Alright, if we go over to the Redeem tab, this is where you can use your points to get stuff. So you'll see things like the sweepstakes. Usually the sweepstakes are at the top. Minecraft mine coins, I don't even know what that is to be honest. The spin to win things, those are gonna be fun, but you know, you kind of just wasting your points. It's basically like gambling, but you can win some cool things if you really want to try that. This is the one I was talking about earlier, the Xbox Game Pass for Life. This is the only one that I've really done, but you can keep it going down. Like $1,000 Microsoft gift card, you could literally get all the stuff you want in the Emporium if you got that. But what I would recommend is down here. This is where you'll see your Xbox Game Passes, Xbox gift cards. So the Xbox gift card and the Microsoft gift card are the same. I go for the Microsoft gift card because I think that's easier to put the code in for. You can do it both on Xbox and PC, whereas the Xbox one you kind of have to jump through a little bit more hoops. But let me show you what happens when you do the Microsoft gift card. So you can have all these options, and you can go from $1.25. It's weird that it's $1.25. I don't know why. But you can go all the way to 100, and that's 91,000 points. But like I said before, we only need a $10 gift card, and that's only 9,000. So I already set this as my goal, but you see an option that says add goal, and that will let you keep track of how long till you can get it. And then once you get enough points for it, it'll send you a notification saying, hey, it's time to get your reward. You also see how it actually is supposed to be 10,000 points. The longer you participate with the Microsoft Rewards, you actually get discounts on all this stuff. So I got a 700 discount for the amount of points that I need to get this, which that's pretty nice. Obviously, even if you don't have that, you'll still be able to get to that 10,000, not too bad. If you really want to get to that 10,000 points quickly, it's really important to do these daily sets and all of these points, because you can get a lot of extra points every day and it'll just help you get there faster. Or you can just do what I do. I kind of leave it in the background and I just search things while I'm doing schoolwork. That's what works for me. You can see up here, I've been doing it for about, I'd say a year and a half, maybe. I'm not exactly sure when I started, but I already got 37,974 lifetime points. So, you know, add another 3, I'll have made $40 out of just searching stuff on the internet. And I've used that for, you know, Fortnite stuff. I've also used to get the first Plunder Pass that came in Season 1. So, that's just something to keep in mind. Alright y'all, that's all I have for this video. I'll leave a link to the Microsoft Rewards page in the description if you want to check that out. And I hope that y'all can get the Plunder Pass or something from the Emporium or something for another game. Let me know if you decided to use this and what you want to spend your Microsoft Rewards points on. I'd love to hear in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.